Hey everybody, it's Supergirl KY here again with another Cricut creation, and this time, if you are wanting to brighten up your 4th of July celebration, then this is the video for you. We are going to be making cupcake toppers. Now I found this design by going to projects and searching for 4th of July cupcake toppers. And now the one they show is on a cake, so instead of using long skewers I just used toothpicks, but you can go ahead and click customize, and I didn't want Let Freedom Ring to be on a cupcake, so I deleted that, and for each color of star it'll print 2 of that color. I also didn't have a scorer at the time, so I hid the score lines and I just folded them by hand. Now once everything was printed out, like I said, I hand folded each and every single one, which was no big deal. Once all of these stars were all creased, I put hot glue around the edge of one and I put in a toothpick, and then I put the other side of the same color on there, and then where it didn't completely hit the hot glue, I went in and retouched it up. Now, since hot glue is used in this project, parental supervision is required, and this again turned out it was super quick, super easy, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and as always, I will include a link to this design in the description below, which will include everything in the original design. And as always, it has been a pleasure, and have a super day.